Weston, welcome to Sisu, buddy. We're so glad you're here. You're going to be awesome. I can't wait for you to meet all your coworkers. This is your cubicle. Let me know if you need anything.
Didn't mean to bother you. But we've been good ever since. He's never given me any other look.
So we have a new hire here at Sisu. His name is Weston, and some of you guys may recognize him. He's contracted for us in the past, but now he's a full-time employee, although I'm not sure what department he's in.
Hey, Phil.
What's up?
We were going to take Weston out for lunch for his first day. Do you want to come with?
I'd love to, but I've got to finish this, and then I've got a couple sales calls to make, so next time for sure, though.
Okay, well, maybe when we get back, you can show him the ropes.
Wait. Why am I showing him the ropes? And what ropes? Hey, Tamika? Tamika!
Hi, Phil.
So, what do you think about this new guy, Winston?
Weston.
Whatever. What do you think about him? Seems a little off to me.
What do you mean?
I don't know, just off, you know? I don't know if he's going to fit in very well here.
He doesn't seem much different than the people that work here.
And then the engineer says, the odds are good, but the goods are on. Right?
Yeah, it's always good getting new team members. You know, but this industry isn't for everybody. It can be a little bit challenging. It's like Sun Tzu says in The Art of War, that a skillful soldier does not raise a second levy.
What does that mean?
Well, if you know, you know, you know. Besides, I'm sure he's going to make a great engineer.
I think he's in the sales department.
I'm sorry, what?
I think he's in sales.
Oh. Well, that's great. Excuse me, I've got to take a call real quick. We'll wrap this up later. Hey, Jeremy. Jeremy.